Modern armor warfare is facing its ultimate trial on the battlefield, as the latest Russia T90M2 Ryvok-1 variant encounters a modern crisis of survival. Millions of dollars in advanced mechanical engineering are rendered useless because of a single fatal vulnerability, a reverse speed of just 4.2 kilometers per hour. For over 4 years of heavy, intense friction up to July 2026, the standard backbone of the Russian armored fleet, including the widely deployed T-72B3 and the advanced T-90M2 has been structurally anchored to a Soviet-era gearbox design. On the modern battlefield, this design leaves multi-million-dollar main battle tanks completely defenseless against high-speed first-person view drones. In the high-tempo shoot and scoot operations observed during recent intense combat engagements, Russian tank crews require up to 15 critical seconds just to back away into covered defensive positions after discharging their primary weapon. Leading global defense analysts argue that this extended operational window leaves the vehicles dangerously exposed to precision artillery and autonomous aerial threats, moving at speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. On paper, their only tactical salvation would be the implementation of an urgently redesigned mechanical core. Now, newly uncovered engineering blueprints from the Uralvagonzavod production facility indicate that the Kremlin is rapidly addressing this fatal engineering flaw with the development of the Project 188M2 program, officially designated as the T-90M2 Ryvok-1. This highly specialized tactical upgrade represents a vital evolution in high-intensity land warfare, signaling a profound shift in how modern armored columns must adapt to survive in an era dominated by relentless precision aerial threats. Before we go on, what do you think is the most critical feature for a modern tank to survive on the battlefield today? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tell me where you're watching from. The technological heart of this newly emerged armor variant introduces an intense mechanical transformation designed to completely shatter the slow movement limitations of the past. Technical documents indicate that the T-90M2 Ryvok-1 replaces the restrictive traditional transmission with an advanced digital hydro-mechanical system. This upgrade accelerates the reverse speed from the dangerously low baseline up to an estimated 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. This six-fold performance increase changes the tactical dynamic, allowing the vehicle to execute a crucial shoot and vanish maneuver within 3 seconds, severely restricting the target acquisition time available to hostile drone operators and artillery spotters. To augment this physical agility, the platform undergoes a substantial redesign of its upper structure, introducing a new turret geometry engineered to optimize internal volume for advanced composite layers derived from the T-14 Armata program. Bolted directly onto this structural configuration is the ArenaM active protection system, which uses millimeter-wave radar arrays to create a defensive shield. This system automatically detects and intercepts inbound precision threats at a distance of 50 meters, neutralizing kinetic projectiles before they reach the main armor. Furthermore, the variant implements a total digital overhaul of its situational awareness infrastructure by integrating an array of 360-degree digital cameras powered by the IS-445 sensor suite. This digital network streams real-time high-definition imagery directly to widescreen displays inside the crew compartment, ensuring that the operators are no longer blindsided by vertical attacks. By synchronizing this responsive transmission, active hard-kill defense, and sensory coverage. The platform transitions from an exposed combat vehicle into a highly survivable asset, capable of enduring the complex air and ground threats, defining modern operations in July 2026. This strategic evolution moves far beyond a simple battlefield test of 10 pre-series vehicles deployed for operational evaluation. In late 2026, leaked 10-year industrial procurement schedules from Uralvagonzavod reveal a massive manufacturing surge aimed at delivering a total of 11-18 combat platforms between 2027 and 2029. International defense intelligence reports indicate this production cycle will reach its absolute peak in 2028, with an estimated 428 upgraded units rolling off the assembly lines in a single year, representing a massive 80% increase in manufacturing output compared to the baseline figures recorded in 2024. However, a deep structural analysis of this procurement data exposes a critical hidden industrial reality. Global defense analysts note that these impressive numbers do not represent entirely new hulls manufactured from raw iron ore. Instead, the Kremlin is executing a highly pragmatic wartime optimization strategy that relies heavily on recycling existing hulls from older T-92B tanks currently held in strategic reserve storage. Industrial teams completely strip down these vintage platforms, reinforce the structural joints, and install the advanced T-90M2 Ryvok-1 turret directly onto the older modified chassis. This hybrid overhaul method slashes the traditional manufacturing cost of an entirely new advanced platform from approximately $5 million down to a sustainable cost of $2.5 million to $3 million per vehicle. This approach allows the industrial complex to bypass severe component shortages and hit aggressive production targets before entering an unallocated gap year in 2030, which experts believe is reserved for a complete factory retooling. By converting massive Soviet-era deep storage reserves into lethal modern fighting platforms, the domestic defense industry ensures an immediate influx of highly survivable combat assets while managing the long-term economic strain of prolonged land conflict. The arrival of this massive armored force will trigger profound geopolitical shockwaves across Eastern Europe and the Indo-Pacific region. While European defense planners struggle to scale up production of advanced platforms like the Leopard 2A8, which currently ships in small double-digit batches annually, the rapid introduction of over 1,000 tactical platforms post-2030 will create an immediate numerical imbalance in heavy ground forces. However, the most significant long-term strategic impact will ripple directly into the Indo-Pacific, specifically transforming the defense posture of India. The Indian military currently operates a massive fleet of over 1,000 T-90 Bhishma tanks positioned along highly contested high-altitude borders to counter advanced Chinese Type 99 platforms. As Russia successfully refines the T-90M2 Ryvok-1 configuration through direct combat feedback, New Delhi represents a primary multi-billion-dollar export market for these specific survivability packages. Integrating the high-speed digital transmission and the ArenaM system into existing export fleets offers an immediate technological solution to the growing threat of modern autonomous aerial weapons. Ultimately, the development of this upgraded variant delivers a profound lesson regarding the evolution of modern military power. Heavy armor is not becoming obsolete in the era of cheap electronics. Rather, the platform is simply undergoing a rapid forced mutation to maintain its dominant role on the land battlefield. In total war, the ultimate advantage belongs to the nation that can adapt its existing industrial base to fix critical vulnerabilities at a mass scale. With Russia accelerating its industrial shift, will this combination of mass production and rapid technical refinement be enough to cement the tank as the undisputed king of the modern battlefield? Or will autonomous threats evolve even faster? Let us know what you think in the comments below.